red color, green color, black color, bright green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, orange color, white color, light brown color. So let's go and color number. Number 1, red color. Number 1, draw red color. Yes, this is red color 1. Next, green color. Number 2, color green color. Yes, this is 2. Number 2. Number 2 for green color. Next, number 3. Number 3 for black color. Yes, number 3 for black color. Next, number 4. Number 4 for bright green color. Yes, this is number 4. Number 4 for bright green color. Next, number 5. Number 5 for blue color. Yes, number 5. This is number 5. Number 5 for blue color. Next, number 6. Number 6 for yellow color. Yes, this is yellow color. Number 6 for yellow color. Next, number 7. Number 7 color brown color. Yes, this is brown color 7. This is color brown. Next, number 8. Number 8 for orange color. This is orange color. Yes, number 8 color orange color. Next, number 9. Number 9 for white color. Yes, this is white color. Number 9 for white color. Next, 0. 0 for brown color. Yes, this is bright brown color.